Good day and welcome. Today, we were driving into the world of microeconomics and we will explore some fundamental concepts that shape businesses and economies. So first, what is microeconomic? So microeconomic refers to the study of behavior and individuals of businesses in making decisions regarding the allocation of scarce resources. So, in this juncture, my fellow groupmates will introduce few topics and we will give some real-life examples. So, let's go!
Good day everyone, I am Tan and I will explain the utility and law of diminishing marginal utility, and I will give a real life example. Let's start with the utility, which is the satisfaction a consumer gets from a good or services. For example, think about eating lechon manok or roasted chicken. The first few bites are incredibly satisfying, but as you eat more, the satisfaction from each additional bite decreases. And that's the law of diminishing marginal utility.
So, good day everyone. My name is Bon Hasil C. Balunga. So, let's proceed on number 2. Explicit and implicit cost. So, what is a cost? Cost is a crucial in business. Explicit costs are direct out of the pocket and expenses. So, example. For stationery store or small convenience store, explicit costs include the cost for good, rent, and electricity bills. So, implicit costs are the opportunity costs of using resources already owned by the firm. So, example, the implicit cost could be a salary the store owner could have earned if they work elsewhere, or the interest they could have earned by the interest their capital are banked instead of the store.
Let's proceed to the fixed and variable cost. Fixed costs remain constant regardless of production levels. For example, a coffee shop's rent is a fixed cost. Whether they sell 100 or 10 cups, the rent stays the same. Variable costs change with the level of production. For example, the cost of coffee beans and milk is a variable cost because it increases as the coffee shop sells more drinks.
Production and profit relationship. So production is the process of creating goods and services, and profit is what's left after deducting all costs for revenue or from revenue. So the real life example for this is a carinderia or small eatery increases its production by hiring more cooks. But however, profit isn't guaranteed. Why? Because if the cost of ingredients rises or if customers don't increase, profit may decrease. So, meaning the formula of this is display the profit formula. So, profit equals total revenue minus total cost.
Good day. This is the factors of production. The factors of production are the resources used to create goods and services, land and labor, capital, and also entrepreneurship. And for example, for a rice farm in Mindanao, land is the rice field, labor is the farmers, capital is the tractors and equipment, and entrepreneurship is the farmers' management and innovation.
Good day everyone. In application example, let's apply this concept to a local business like a balut vendor. How does the vendor experience diminishing marginal utility? Customer getting less satisfaction from each additional balut. What are the vendor's implicit and implicit costs? What are the vendor's fixed and variable costs? How does the vendor manage production and aim for profit? How do land, labor, and capital play a role in the vendor's business?
In conclusion, we explored key microeconomic concepts. Understanding these principles is essential for making informed decisions in businesses and our daily life. So I hope you will gain from some insights to our videos, and I hope you will understand what we explain in our given real life example. Thank you very much and see you soon.